I was able to doctor that situation. Everything's fine. Yeah, you wound up just bending that front bolt really bad, so it wasn't allowing itself to go all the way in. But the threads were okay, so I just put a new bolt in and tightened everything back down. Yeah, you got very lucky. And then I did your chain and adjusted your clutch lever and stuff. Yeah, you're ready to go. All right. Awesome.
I'll be back today.
All right, safe, man.
I'll see you later. Triumph Bonneville, lovely young woman brought this in to me to do an oil change and a safety check. So we're gonna look everything over. We'll get the old oil out of this. Definitely a cool bike, a little retro. We got some carb action. Right off the bat, I can see she is probably overdue for a chain and rear brake pads. Her fronts look okay. But again, you know, just a good once over. We'll get some parts ordered and definitely get the oil done today, but she's gonna have to come back. Super cool bike, love the retro Triumph action. So we'll get right into it. Spray that cover down to get all her. That's some old nasty oil, huh? Can't you see me whiling out on this thing downtown? Blowing the tire off?
So I came out of the post office and I said to myself as I'm pulling by there's these three little ladies walking by. Stop being a pussy. Give us some gas. Okay, stand it up. They've been egging you on. All your boys in Bonaire said, stop being a wuss. So I said,
Give it some gas.
I gave it some gas. But let me tell you something. Plastic was flying off of it before it came down. I couldn't understand that. And I'll tell you why. Let me tell you why. Look, let go, Justin. Watch. Look what I did. I hit the back scraper so hard.
Yeah.
So what's broken here, man?
I don't know yet without looking at it.
Yeah. How did I do this? Because I didn't want to be a pussy anymore. But I scraped it.
Yeah, you did. I see that. You got your first scrape mark.
Hope it's not the last scrape mark. Yeah, no,
wheel on it.
it hit the curb on the left side, and that when it hit that curb, it must have.
How fast were you going?
Oh man, what? 5 miles an hour?
What?
Okay, 8.
It looks like you went down going 100. I swear to God.
No, man, this shit happened in like 3 seconds. I was just rolling out at about 5 miles an hour and just decided to power it up. I had a whiskey throttle because there was a second bang. And that's when it leaped out from underneath me. It stood up, and then I said, oh, crap, and tried to let go, and whiskey handed it. Oh, my butt is still stinging.
Dude, look at the stay.
I know.
Holy man.
Look at that. I know. I couldn't believe that. So it had to hit the tree.
This was such a nice bike.
It's not you're not gonna make it nice again.
Oh, we'll make it nice again. It's just a shame. It was very nice before. Hey there. Honda Shadow. This guy's clutch is totally roached out, so we're gonna go ahead and take this pipe off, get his cover off, get all his old fiber out, and all the new fiber in so that he has a clutch again. Some fresh oil, this and that. So that's what I'm doing right now. And it's beautiful and sunny out, 74, and I wanna be outside because I haven't been getting a lot of fresh air. I was all cooped up in there with a bunch of exhaust fumes yesterday, so enjoying the fresh air and the nice weather. And I'm in my shorts. All right, so we got this pipe off. We'll get the clutch cover off, fiber out, new fiber in. What I'm gonna do right now is start soaking the new fibers in oil. This way, when I am ready to put them in, they've been saturated for a little while. Yeah, you do. Just like wings. This is how they do wings. So we'll clean all this up before we put it back together. As you can see, it was just RTV. Shocked that it wasn't leaking. So just like we talked about when we were marinating our new fibers, this is gonna be the last plate that goes on. Skinny guy, everything else pretty roached out. These both sit on here just like this. This looks good. You're gonna wanna inspect this for gouges or any sort of wear on there. So that's all looking pretty good. We'll grab our new stuff and put everything back together, change the oil. It's gonna be good. We got everything back together, so we'll get this all buttoned back up, do a quick oil change, and go test ride. So, clutch is all done, brand new oil. It seems to be engaging and disengaging just where I like it. So I'm gonna pull it out of the back and go for a little road test. Hat. So I just got back from my road test. Thing rides great. Pulls real hard all the way through, which was not what was going on when he dropped it off. So this thing is good to go. Fresh oil, fresh clutch. Come get it. And come get you a fresh clutch at Misguided. What's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt this video, but I have another very important announcement. 4 new designs. They're all super sweet. Kicking it off with the Streets Always Eat. Some cool retro font. You know I like retro stuff, so I love this. This is my favorite shirt that we just dropped. All the interstate signs, speed limit, Chicago stuff. Love it. Super cool. Get you one. We're selling a lot of them. My second favorite, 6 p.m. at the park, Mini Monday Mafia. It's got the Godfather text. Everybody likes the Mafia stuff. We're in Chicago. So grab one of these too while you're at it. And then if you're obsessed with the channel and you want to look like you work here, we're selling these now just to the public so you can act like you work at Misguided. Super nice Chicago flag on the side, stitched, really nice stuff. I wear mine a lot when I'm working. If you want to look professional or just something cool for date night, grab the polo. Link in the description. Go buy all of them right now before I sell out of them because I can't keep these things on the shelves.